Second problem, use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So they told that any odd positive integer is in the form of this 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. That means when we substitute q in place of q0, we get 1. Then if we substitute 0, we get 3, then 5. These are odd integers. We have to prove that they will be in this form. If we substitute any integer, we should get this form as odd positive integers. For doing that, let us write solution. First of all, let us assume that a be any odd positive integer. Let a be any odd positive integer. Next, what we have to prove? We have to prove that positive integer, we need to prove that a is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 for some integer q. So this we have to prove. For that, we know that this a is an integer. Since a is an integer, we will consider some letter, like consider b is equals to this number, we will consider as b. So b is equals to 6. From where we are getting this? This is another integer. Another integer applying Euclid's division lemma. From Euclid's division lemma, as we know that there will be two positive integers a and b. For these two integers, we get respective q and r. So we have already supposed that a is an odd positive integer. Next, we are considering b is equals to 6, as this is in the form of a is equals to bq plus r. So after applying Euclid's division algorithm or lemma, we get a is equals to 6q plus r, as we already know that a is equals to bq plus r for some integer this q should be greater than or equal to 0. We get a is equals to bq 6q plus r for some integer q should be greater than or equal to 0. And here remainder, when we divide like 7 with the 7, if we are dividing any number, we get the remainders from 0 to 6. That is one number less than that the number which we are using for division. Okay, for 6 we get remainders from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since remainder will be equal to or greater than 0 and should be less than 6. So remainder will lies between 0 and 6. It will be 0 and from 0 to 1 less than 6, that is 5. Next, after writing this, we can say that A can be of the form A is equals to, if we substitute this remainder here, we get A is equals to 6 cube plus 0. 6 cube plus 0 is 6 cube, or 6 cube plus 1, that is 6 cube plus 1, or 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 2, or 6 cube plus 3, or 6 cube plus 4, or 6 cube plus 5. These are all possible forms of A. As we know that what is A? A is an odd integer. Since A is odd, when A is odd, that means if you see this 6q, this is even. 6q plus 2, this is also even. 6q plus 4, this is also even, because they are divisible with 2. Since A is odd, A cannot take the values of 6q or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. Why? Because why A is not taking those values? Because since all these values are divisible by 2. Next, also 6 cube plus 1. Next, what is remained? 6 cube plus 1. We can write that 6 cube plus 1 as 2 into 3q plus 1. For this 3q, let us assume some other value, 2k1 plus 1, where this k1 is some integer, where k1 is an integer. Next, like the same, next is 6q plus 3. 6q plus 3 is equals to 2 into, otherwise we can write like this, 6q plus 2 plus 1 is equals to, from these both we can take out 2 common, so 2 is outside, 2 3q plus 2 ones are plus 1. For this we will assume this as k2 is equals to 2k2 plus 1, where k2 is an integer. 6q plus, what is the last value? 6q plus 5. 6q plus 5 is equals to 6q plus 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. Next, from this 2 we can take out 2 common, 2 3s are 3q plus 2 plus 1. Now this value will be k3, 2k3 plus 1. Again where k3 is an integer. So clearly 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 are of the form 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. Next, therefore 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 are odd numbers. Therefore, any odd positive integer can be expressed as 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. Yes, here 2k plus 1 is nothing but the definition of odd integers. That's why these are all odd numbers. So hence proved.